Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. I have an unboxing. Yes, CJ. Do you guys know what that means? Culture Japan. That's right. I've got another smart doll. I've been wanting this doll for quite some time. She's come in and out of stock. Finally she came back again and I was like, you know what? I just need to get her now while I can. I had the money. School is starting back for me. I'm a teacher and this is a treat for myself because yeah, it's, you know, school's back in session and I'm working my you-know-what off. So let's open her up. Okie dokie, her name is Dauntless. I mean, that's what Culture Japan calls her. I will be calling her Miranda. Let's see. And I did not buy anything but the doll. I just bought the doll. I didn't buy any clothing. I am thinking of possibly in a few months buying some clothes. I'm keeping an eye. Sometimes they have sales. They do have occasional markdown, so I'm kind of looking for that too. But I have enough doll clothes for her. She doesn't need any. So, and right now they don't. They used to give you free shipping if you bought a certain amount, and they don't do that anymore. So, I just got the dolly. All right. So interesting. So here we've got a box. This is the doll. Oh, this will have her wig and stuff in it. Yes. Okay. In the past, whenever I've bought my other two dolls, I've always bought clothes. So I wasn't sure if I was going to have a box or just the doll. So, yes, here's the smart doll designed by Danny Chu. I love these dolls. Right. So let's get the box out. These are nice boxes. I saved them to put doll clothes in. Oh boy, my lighting is horrible. Here, let me try that. What's going on? It's later in the day. I've been at school all day, so yikers. All right, hopefully that's a little bit better. Yeah, I think this is just going to have her wig and her stand and stuff in it. So here's a card. This has some of the dolls on it. So they have a new little postcard. Smart Doll Care Guide. All right, here we have the stand that goes in the back of the hole that's in the back of her back. And then we have her wig. I really wish they would sell wigs, but I guess they used to at one time. You could buy a separate wig, but so yeah, I got a blonde. So my other two dolls, even though I do have wigs for them, I have Beyond, which has, you know, she's cocoa colored skin and has dark hair. And then I have a redhead doll who is resilient. And now I have Dauntless, the blonde doll. All right, let's get her out. And then we'll put her wig on. I'll put the wig on off camera because I am terrible at doing that. It is quite tricky. All right, here is the official Keep Calm and Carry a Smart Doll baggie. It looks like the top of her head might be orange. She has different undies than the other two girls had. These are big dolls. I'm more used to them now, but boy, when I first got my first one, it was very weird feeling. So, the top is orange. Wonder what's up with that. I mean, it's going to be covered by her wig, but that is weird. Yeah, and you can change out the eyes. These come off here. First, let me look at her. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I love her face. Look at that. In a separate video, I'll do a comparison of all three of my dolls. Resilient is an older doll. She does not have the holes in her nose like this gal does. And yeah. So her eyes, yeah, they're blue. I think they're blue. They kind of have a green tint a little bit to them. So, and she's got a little bit of a soft smile. That's what I liked about this sculpt. And she's got the undies on, and she is a T, what they call T skin tone. So I do not have, Resilient is also T, and then of course Beyond is Cocoa. Yeah, and to me, I mean, this is, I think, a nice skin tone, but it's not super, I wouldn't necessarily, well, I guess it's like a light tan kind of skin tone. And the other one that's lighter is called Cinnamon. And that doesn't appeal to me a whole lot. I don't know, maybe if I saw the right doll in that skin tone, it would. But yeah, here she is. All right, so let me get, oh, yeah, but it's, woo, welcome to the world, Missy. Let me get her wig on, and you can see how gorgeous she is. Okay, I finally got the wig on. Lord have mercy. That is always a struggle for me, especially with these dolls. Holy cow. But it looks gorgeous on her. She's an amazing doll. I just love her. I have been, you know, I have been smitten with her for quite a while, so I'm glad she's finally here. She's going to hang out with her two friends. Here's a whole, whoa, these dolls are big. Here's a look at the back of her hair. These wigs are beautiful. Very nice quality. Yeah. I know a lot of people, you know, kind of whom and haw, should they spend the money on a smart doll, etc. I would say right now the Japanese yen is actually pretty good as far as the US dollar goes. A little bit more bang for your buck compared to the last time I bought a smart doll, which is, you know, it's been a while. So yeah, so think about that. But also, you know, these are really big dolls. These are 1/3 scale. Ellen Wild, Grace, those are 1/4. So these are some big gals. It's, you know, they're a couple feet. They're tall. In fact, I put a yardstick up next to her so you can kind of get a feel for how big these dolls are. Flip it around. There is the metric side. So you need to have a place for them, the space for them. I will have to say my smart dolls tend to sit a lot on the shelves. I think I could probably rearrange things and find a place for them to stand, but they tend to sit a lot. Gotta admit that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for spending some time with me as I opened up this new smart doll. Let me know what you think about her in the comments down below. Please subscribe, give this a thumbs up if you haven't already, and thank you so much for spending a little dolly time with me. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.